So today we are going from our RV right there into a limo. We have this whole thing to ourselves. We got the water, we got the ice, and we're going around San Diego for the day.
Living our best lives.
Bucket list item, ride a limo. Check. Riding in the RV, and we're going right up to our first stop.
Riding in the RV?
No.
Heck no, we ain't riding in the RV. This is
Riding in the limo. There's the beach, and our first stop is this big cross right here. We're out here in San Diego, and we're riding in a limo.
I'm trying to be funny, I guess. Since it's your first time video, so I wanted to keep it funny. I don't think he really got the joke, but he was just really trying to be nice. He was like, it's a first. San Diego, man! Water on this side, water on that side. It's a little windy, but I just got my Starbucks and we're headed back to the limo. This is Mission Beach in San Diego.
There's no better way to see San Diego than we have our driver in the limo, and he's just driving us around to all the places that we want to see.
And we're hanging at the beach, getting into Starbucks.
And then we just hop back in and he takes us to the next spot. Normally I'm fighting the streets either in our motorcycle or in our RV, and now we don't even have to think about it. Have the music blaring and we're all set.
Woo!
Downtown San Diego.
This here is the tallest building in all of San Diego.
So you got your options. You got bad boy bail bonds and golden boy bail bonds. Which one would you rather go to?
Bad boy. This is our view from the Pantai Inn in La Jolla. And it is sunset and it is beautiful. And Hyde just accidentally locked us out of our room because he forgot the key. So he's on a hunt to go get a key.
San Diego Zoo. Everyone told us that out of all the zoos to go to, you always hear San Diego Zoo, and we are here now.
And we're riding the Sky Safari so you can see the animals from above.
We're soaring, we're flying. Wait, you gotta go higher.
Oh, I see him! He's a hungry hippo! Oh. He's angry.
He's literally running. Look at him. He's just like...
There he goes under the rock.
Whoa!
Oh. What exactly is going on?
It's because giant pandas are solitary and territorial, which means that they don't like to share and they don't play well with others.
See, doesn't it look like it's a person?
Twins.
I'm convinced it's a person in a costume, and that's what I would do. I would sleep.
We're in the bird observatory, and Em loves birds.
And we're losing time. We need.
They're just flying around. They're just chilling with us. It's like we're in the exhibit with them.
I'd rather be in the exhibit with an elephant. We're going into a sea cave from the land.
Going down a cave.
Inside a sea cave.
We're out here in a sea cave.
Woo!
Just taking a nap.
These little baby sea lions. Oh, they're so cute. Sunset in La Jolla.
got your back. Yeah, you can count on me. That's with flying colors now.
We're in Old Town San Diego and about to go on the trolley tour. This is called the birthplace of California because this is where they settled.
This is December. And we're like 70-degree weather right now.
Wanna be close to you.
So we're in San Diego.
We're on the aircraft carrier USS Midway that was used in World War II. And it's crazy. I mean, I know they're even way bigger now.
Look at all these helicopters. Literally, it does not feel like we're floating on the water.
Headed into Legoland. Those right there are RVs made out of Legos in Lego World. This is New York and Legos. We are in Vegas. We used to live around there. Oh yeah. They got an RV right by it.
We just entered SeaWorld San Diego, which is our third SeaWorld out of 3 SeaWorlds. We did Orlando, San Antonio, and now San Diego. And when we entered, the guy said,
"Have a whale of a day."
And we should have gotten VIP so we can skip this really long line.
We could at least skip the walking of it.
This is the way to do it. Show up at 4:40 in the winter in December to a park that closes at 6 p.m. and really escape the lines.
Really get your money's worth.
Oh. Holy cow!
Got a private tour.
Keep on hopping, cakes by the ocean, woo! And we're going down the street that has shops that rivals Rodeo Drive.
Pete's Coffee. They ain't got that. Yoga's Moga.
Yoga Smoga! Baby shark na 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 na, baby shark na 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 na.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.